Anybody can say, I love Imam Ali.
حبيبي.
But, نعم.
حبيبي كمل continue.
Anybody can say that they love Imam Ali. Whoever remembers Ali is ibadah. Whoever looks at Ali is ibadah. And whoever brings up Ali, and whoever listens to that person bringing up Ali, the person who brought up Ali, and whoever listens to that man bringing up Ali, their sins will be wiped. So inshallah, the esteemed judge's sins has been wiped, my sins has been wiped, the audience sins has been wiped, and the viewers at home sins has been wiped. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
That was phenomenal. Let me get a hug. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go. Beautiful.